Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, NFP was something that I cannot explain. Probably you all also got the shock because we saw massive up move on the chart of DXY and we saw big fall on the chart of Euro, USD, GBP, USD and gold. This is DXY. After NFP, DXY showed big green candles and ultimately closed at 102.99. Probably DXY will continue the up move on Monday and the next resistance will be 103.50. In my previous videos also I clearly mentioned that if DXY wants to go for a trend reversal, then it should or it will have to cross 103.50 first. Okay, so let's wait and watch how DXY performs in the coming days. And this is dollar jumps after monster job report. This was the main reason why we saw a massive up move on dollar and fall on gold, Euro USD, GBP USD and others. The dollar jumped on Friday after data showed that US employers added significantly more jobs in January than economists expected. The forecast was around 187k jobs and the number turned out to be 517k, which was huge. As a result, we saw that move on the chart of DXY. So what are the trading opportunities for Monday then? First of all, if you're wondering that this is a complete trend reversal, then my dear friends, this is not a confirmed trend reversal yet. Always keep in mind, for a trend reversal, we need an inverted V pattern in an uptrend market and we need a V pattern in a downtrend market. So if I zoom out the chart, do you still think that this is a trend reversal? No, this just looks like a consolidation. This just looks like a retracement. So it's too early to predict that we have a trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD. So I think in the coming days or by next week, we will get a complete picture whether Euro USD is going for a trend reversal or the up move on euro dollar continues. Okay, so if the selling continues on Monday as well, then the first support will be 1.0770 to 1.0750. This will be the first support for us because of previous price rejection around this area. And also we have Fibonacci 50% retracement level around this level. So once the market hits 1.0770, 1.0750 level, observe the market and see how the market is performing or doing. If the same selling pressure continues, do not go for a buy position. My dear friends, it's your hard-earned money, so take the trade wisely. Okay, observe the market, because the no level in the market is permanent. Okay, so if you see market taking support, then only you should go for a buy position. If market breaks it, just forget about it. And second support may be around 1.0683. Around this level, market may find the next support if this support fails. And between these two levels here, we have a big gap. And there is a possibility that if market breaks this level here, 1.0770, 1.0750 level, we may see further downside and you can look for selling opportunity as well. So this is the first support. This is the second support on the chart of Euro USD right now. If you're wondering why we're considering 1.0683 level, then the answer lies on the daily chart. This is the daily chart of Euro USD, and here, when we're drawing the Fibonacci retracement here, we get the Fibonacci 23.6% around 1.0683 level. And the best part is, apart from Fibonacci, we can also see previous price rejection around this area. Means previous resistance will act as support, and along with that, we also have additional confirmation from Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So as a result, if this particular level fails, then this will be our support, next support on the chart of Euro USD. So these are the levels we need to focus if market goes up. So if market goes up, Okay, if market goes up, then we have got two resistances. Again, we have used Fibonacci to derive these resistances because we do not have any proper static support or resistance on the chart of euro dollar right now. And as there was a free fall yesterday, no dynamic support or resistance will work either. So as a result, we have used Fibonacci, and the first Fibonacci or first resistance on the chart of Euro USD will be 1.0850. This will be the first resistance on the chart of Euro USD, and the reason is when we are considering Fibonacci from the top to bottom here, we have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So after market opening, if market tries to go up, market tries to recover, there is a good chance that market will be facing some trouble. There will not be much buying pressure. If you see market struggling around 1.0850 level, you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still very much present in this market, and you can consider taking a sell position. In case market shows good recovery, market breaks this level, then your level will be, second level will be 1.0883. This is the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, and along with that, previously market has shown support around this area. So previous support will now act as resistance, and we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So two resistances, two support. Two resistances are 1.0850, 1.0883. These two resistances. Keep in mind, 0850 is a weak resistance. 0883 is considerably a better resistance. Okay. On the other hand, if market starts falling, the first support is around 1.0770 to 0750. This is a support zone. If the market opens normally, if the volatility of the market remains normal, then there's a high chance that market will bounce. Euro USD will take support around this area. If it does that, we can go for a buy. In case it breaks it, because market is not in our hand, market doesn't listen to us. So in case it breaks it, then sadly we cannot go for sell position immediately, because there is a high chance that after some SL hunting, market may go up again. Okay, so don't make the mistake of taking a sell position immediately, because usually on Monday markets remain dull during the first half also. Do not forget that. And secondly, we have supported a 1.0683 level. So these are the levels on the chart of Euro USD. My dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So please follow proper risk management. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Bye-bye. Take care.